Hello everybody, Sayed Option here. December 13, it was a CPI day, so let's see what happened. It was just a wild day. So as you can see here, ES jumped crazy to 4180 minus 30. Right now is the difference between ES and SPX. So it was like 4150 on the SPX. But what happened is, let's look here. What happened is you can see here that at 9:20 um, we get some sign that is cooling down. The MACD was curving down, and then as soon as 9:25 we got one drop, and then 9:30 when market opened we got another drop, and we got a confirmation on the MACD dead cross. That was the key. And then after that, on the SPX we made a new high, and then it starts falling. But if you note on the ES, you can see here that when the 5-minute dead cross, then the 30 joined, then the 15 joined at 10:15, and the 30 minutes joined at 11 o'clock, and it was just all the way down to 4,000, which is a mental level for market, SPX 4,000. So let's look at the SPY. um, you can see here, let me just pull this right here. Okay, so SPY, same thing. Right before market opens, you can see if market is bullish, and some people thought maybe we go to 4250 on SPX, maybe we go to 420, which was the case. It was possible, but you can see here, right before market open, the 1 minute was MACD already was dead cross since 846, and right before market opens, the sell-off started. So that was the sign. And then in the first few minutes, 3 minutes, SPY RSI goes to oversold zone, which is the power zone. And after that, it started building a range here between this level 408 and 410. And then when the 5 min was downward, and it broke the bottom of the range, which was 408. The next support was 407 and 405. It went below 407. You can see here it gave a dead cross here again. It went touch 407, and then once it broke this range here, 405, it didn't held it, and boom, it came down close to 402 level, established another range, and the 15 and 30 was already downward. At 11 o'clock, 11:30, we got a dead cross on the SPY on the 30 minutes. 11:30, you can see here, it broke the bottom of the range, and boom, went to the next level, 399.81. And all day was just going up and down between 402.89. QQQ, same thing. You can see here, market open, before open, drop, establish a range, boom, drop to 291.21 level, and establish another range here. You can see this range on the 5 min, boom, broke the bottom of the range, went to the next major level, which is 286.46, and the rest of the day was just up and down between 286 and 289.4. Let's see what else we got. Apple was it went up, and same thing, established a range. All the names was just almost the same, and they all drop at the same time. CPI report was good, but remember a few months ago CPI report was bad too. Market opened down, then it reversed back up. But same thing today, CPI was very good, but in reality, people can feel the inflation and the prices are still up, so it starts falling. Amazon 92.4, I posted in the service. If you can't hold it, next level was 90.72, but it's still overall is holding it strong. The 4 hour is very strong there. Nvidia, it was trying to break out. You can see here, even though market was dropping, Nvidia was trying to rise, but it couldn't hold 186.45. It didn't hold there. It broke below the 184, and then if it didn't, I posted not holding 181 next, and it broke here 181. It touches 181, it bounces a little bit back, and then here broke again and went to the next level, which was 178.7. What else? Baba and Bidu, just they joined the they actually were interesting. At the open they start rising even though market was falling, but then later on they joined the fall. Baidu, same thing. Netflix was very interesting. Netflix actually was a strong name at open. It got to the monster level, this 332.71. It exactly hit 72. And then after that, it was just a range play between 326 332. And then at this point, at 11:30, at 11:30 12, it starts join the fall and gets to the next level, 321. Meta news came in, it gave a temporary bounce, but then it fall again. Nothing exciting there. Tesla was very interesting. Tesla, I mean, it was a very bearish name last few days, and then when market jumped, this one jumped too. But you can note here, you can see as soon as market open, it get a fall, and the 1 minute was already dead cross, and the 5 minute as soon as market open got a dead cross too. So Tesla drop actually was an indication that, you know, maybe market is gonna fall. If Tesla is falling, maybe all market is gonna fall, because Tesla is still is a big part of SPX and SPY. So anyhow, it came down, it fall, and then established a range here. You can see here established a bounce back a little bit. It gave a golden cross on 1 minute, but then at this point we got another dead cross on the at 952, and once it went below 170.47, boom, next level 168. It went to retest the low of yesterday, and then it didn't hold 166. Below that, it went all the way down to 158.95 level, a little bit lower, but then it held above it. So we'll see what it does tomorrow. And Microsoft, still Microsoft, same thing. It went close to 264 level, 265 it hit pre-market, but then it couldn't hold 259. It went to the next level, 254. What else? Google was actually interesting. At the open was one of the strong name. It jumped up, it went to 99, it was close to get to 100, but then when market starts falling, this joined the fall and went below 98. Below 98 went all the way down to 95 level, and it almost got to 94.57, but it held there during the day, during the close. AMD, same thing. This name jumped big yesterday. There's still a lot of put in this name. It couldn't hold 72. It got close back to 72.7. Boeing was very interesting too. I got a news pre-market. It was already very bullish pre-market. It had a big jump, but then as soon as market opened, you can see here Boeing starts falling. It didn't hold 187. I posted 184 next, and it touched 184.83, and it bounced back a little bit into close, and it was actually staying strong compared to other names. What else? mRNA was very, very interesting. It got a big news for blah blah blah, whatever it was. I don't remember right now, but I posted in the service, if it passes 189.26, next level is 195 and 205, and boom, it passes. Very strong. This was very strong name actually. You can see here at the open it drop a little bit, then it recovers in the 1 minute, and then it never gives a golden cross here. 1 minute, look, it goes until here, 199.16, and then but the 5 minutes was still bullish, even though market was still falling. This one gave another golden cross here at 10:15, and went to the 205, almost got to 209.63, but then later on market was already weak, and this one stayed weak, but we'll see what it does tomorrow. Overall, the 4 hour is super strong. The daily, if it gets golden cross, this name can run up crazy. ORCL was interesting too. It had an earning yesterday. It gapped up, but it pulled back due to market. But then because of the TikTok news, it starts dropping. I posted a level 81.93. If you can't hold 80.64 and 79.35, almost got there. What else we got here? Roku, I didn't play, and I didn't talk about it too much, but it was interesting. It was like 12% up open. As soon as opens, it was crazy going up. Even though market was pulling back, this was still rising up. But then market realized, oh boy, you know, we gotta go down, and it broke 57, went to 55 and 53.7. It broke down one too, but it closed almost close to 53. But overall, these names are, you know, in the category of very weak name, and they can fall even market rises. What else we got here? That's pretty much it. Overall, Still the 4 hour MACDs on the indexes are still very open on many names, it's still very bullish, but the hourly and 30 minute is bearish right now. We'll see what Powell says tomorrow. Maybe we go and retest the high of today again. It's all about Powell, whatever he says. All right, hope you all had a great day and best of luck tomorrow. Thank you.